Yeah, so I was asking if you want to use these. No, not using those. Shouldn't. These are the strings that came with it, and
I don't know. Babe doesn't want to use them. I don't know why.
but you'd have to do a whole lot of tying and loosen and whatever. But we got these that I think are easy. Just do this. Look, you hook it like that, and then you put that over the thing. That's it.
This should be easier.
Yeah. Tying, 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 tying. Loosen, loosen, loosen. It's a mess. Look at that. Gotta be careful.
I think we should place
You should put all.
these
Okay,
ones first.
I got it. You do. Take these. So I'll give them to you, and you do that. I should.
Have any more?
Yeah. So that's better for you because you can stand and go. Do you
Yeah.
feel better?
Mm-hmm.
So what's been happening there?
Nothing.
And you, why can't you not sit?
Not sit. What do you mean?
You're so tired.
Because I'm
And you can't bend to get these.
because I'm pregnant and I'm having babies soon. Yes, guys, I'm having baby pretty soon, so
Amen.
makes it very difficult for me to do much.
What do you say? Babe, I'll do the low ones. Just show me where to go on it.
Where should I put this one? Is there? Right there. Okay. Right here. This is my first time decorating a Christmas tree. Babe has done it before, but not me. So I'm about to give it my all. Have you guys decorated before?
The baby's just extra tired tonight, so her energy is low. It's late, and I don't think she slept today. Did you sleep today, man?
No, didn't have the time. Why are you
You didn't have the
laughing,
time to
babe?
sleep, babe?
No, I didn't.
Babe should be sleeping, getting her rest. But he's nesting. So nesting bird doesn't rest. So nesting.
Where should I be putting this one?
I'm being careful with these because you know what I'm thinking about?
No, babe. Mm.
Thinking about the baby stepping on them. How crazy is that?
Hold on, babe.
Hmm?
Hold one. This one. You put this here?
Yeah.
No, it's too close to that. This one, put it right here. I have one here. Balance it here.
It's no.
Guys, you're not talking. You're just on the live. What are you guys doing?
Hmm.
All right. Which ones you want to give me now?